Lieutenant Colonel William B. Hyde of the 9th New York Cavalry served in a regiment known for swift raids and deep reconnaissance behind enemy lines. Colonel Marshall Lefferts commanded the 7th New York Infantry, famously known as the Silk Stocking Regiment, formed from the city's social elite and among the first to defend Washington in 1861. Brigadier General Nathaniel James Jackson was wounded 3 times during the war, including a broken thigh in 1863 when his horse slipped during a campaign. Lieutenant Colonel George Eastman Chamberlain led the 1st Vermont Artillery, a unit that played a key role in the defense of Washington and in siege operations. Brigadier General Adolphus Sanders Williams temporarily commanded the 12th Army Corps after the death of General Mansfield at the Battle of Antietam. Major Asahel Grant Enos served in the 8th United States Cavalry, participating in major cavalry operations throughout the Eastern Theater of the war. Major Isaac Marshall, May of the 19th Indiana Infantry, served with the famous Iron Brigade and was killed in action at the Second Battle of Bull Run on August 28, 1862. Surgeon Henry Augustus Potter served with the 50th New York Volunteer Engineers, providing medical care during large-scale construction and fortification efforts. Assistant Surgeon Luther Brucey of the 3rd Indiana Cavalry treated wounded soldiers during Major General Sheridan's Shenandoah Valley campaign. Major John Whipple Jr. served in the 1st Rhode Island Infantry and later became a respected engineer in the Union Army. Colonel Henry Albert Valentine Post commanded the 2nd United States Sharpshooters through brutal winter conditions, where disease claimed more lives than battle. Major General George Lucas Hartsuff was seriously wounded at the Battle of Antietam and later led the 23rd Army Corps during the Knoxville campaign. Friends, history lovers, if you enjoy videos like this one, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And in the comments, let us know what topic you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.